Hi guys, welcome to IT Starters. We have received a box which is sent by Bolt IoT, and this box contains Bolt IoT and ML Kit. So let's unbox it. Though I have opened it already to check it, but I'll again open and show it to you what we have got in this box. So we have got this packet. We'll discuss in detail this Bolt IoT module, and we have this card along with this box. So I'll keep this separate. Okay, so this is for forum related and other queries. We can access to this for the training as well. Some information is given, basic information, so we'll keep it aside. And this is the Bolt IoT module. So here this is the Bolt IoT module, which contains an ESP8266 module attached at the back, and this has got a micro USB connector over here. And apart from this, we have some sensors as well, if you see inside, and some basic components for your projects. We also have two stickers provided by Bolt IoT over here, and in this components we have one LM35 temperature sensor, 3 resistors of 330 ohms, one 5-volt DC buzzer, one push button switch, one LDR, and 2 LEDs over here. So this is what it contains in Bolt IoT kit. Let us look at this bag, what we have. So in this bag, as you can see, we have some jumper cables and one small breadboard, USB to micro USB data cable for connecting this Bolt IoT module with your computers. So this is all about the kit that you will be getting. You can order this kit from the link given in the description below, and you can get a discount as well. So all the details will be mentioned in the link. You can proceed further with that if you are willing to buy this kit. This entire kit costs you 9,600, but if you want to purchase this kit with a discount, you will be getting it with 2,750 only. So from the link in the description box, you can go and purchase it from there. With this entire kit, you also get access to the Bolt IoT training programs. In the next video, I'll get some projects for you related to this Bolt IoT using this Bolt IoT module and the small components that we have received with it. So in the next video, we'll see how to connect this Bolt IoT module and configure it with the Bolt IoT app that is available in iOS as well as in Google Play Store. So based on your smartphone, you can download it accordingly, and we'll see how to connect this Bolt IoT with this, how to configure it, and then we can proceed further in building new projects with it, and we'll see how it can be done.